everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you all doing? I'm good. I'm hot. It's hot here in Winnipeg. This is very strange. Okay. I need some water. All right. Okay, so the hashtag 3-color challenge. Remember I had showed these yarns that my hubby had chosen for me to use together to make something. There was this plum, Bernat Cozy Style, partial skein. There was this blue, dark blue, I don't know what brand or anything. Then there's this cotton polyester. Yeah, 70 cotton, 30 polyester, cotton rich. This was in a Mary Maxim mystery bag. Easy, this is easy knit. All right. So I think I said in that video that I was gonna use the YouTube random comment picker just to pick somebody and make whatever they said to make. Well, I was tagged by Seeds of Love Gardening. Tammy? Hi, Tammy. I think that's what it is. Seeds of Love. And I watched Krystal Krystal is Tammy's daughter. Krystal, the Yarny chicken. Sorry, Krystal. Yarny chicken and crazy cat lady. I listened to her video again, and she explained how to pick an item, whatever item had the most votes. And I'm like, oh my goodness. Okay, well, I don't know how to do the wheel thing. She said she was gonna put everybody on the wheel. I could probably figure it out if I tried, but I didn't try. So I wrote them all down. Now, some of you suggested a couple of different things, and I know I told you you could say hat and scarf set and stuff like that. But I actually divided, if it was a hat and a scarf, you said, I actually put hat as one vote, scarf as another. I hope that's okay, you guys. I hope that's okay. So as I was writing everything down that you guys had said, I was talking to myself. Like hat, oh, 1 vote. Mitts, 1 vote. Hat, 2 votes now. You know, I was talking to myself. Okay, that's what I do. Anyway. All right, so let me just give you these suggestions and tell you how many votes each one got. And then I'm going to tell you what the winner was. Which one am I going to make? Okay, so Cup Cozy was 1 vote. Slippers was 3 votes. Coasters was 1 vote. Ear warmer 1 vote. Hat 6 votes. Headband 1. Mitts or gloves 8. Shawl was 5. Chair cover was 1. Short sleeve vest was 1. Scarf. Did I say scarf already? No, scarf was 12. Rug or mat was 2. Christmas ornaments was 1. Leg warmers 1. Bowl cozy 1. A table mat 1. Lap blanket 1. Some sort of amigurumi 2. Top was 3. A doll was 4. Which I just put as separate from amigurumi because people said specifically a doll. And then someone said some type of amigurumi, and then someone said an owl. So I threw the owl in with the amigurumi. You know what? The only owls I've crocheted are these little tiny ones. And I'm the Crafty Yarn Owl. Weird, eh? Anyway. I said, oh, where was I? Oh dear, where was I? Did I say basket? No, I don't think I did. 8. Cowl, 10. Bowl cozy, did I say? 1. And the winning one is Now people said different forms of bag and purse, somebody said 15. So I am going to make some kind of bag, and I love that. Someone suggested putting the cotton as the bottom and maybe the handles. I can't remember. I'm not going to use this whole thing. I mean, because there's 400 grams in here. I might want to make a top with some of this eventually, but not today. Not this month, maybe next summer. But yeah, it's gonna be some kind of bag. Okay guys, I hope it's okay that I did it that way, because it's kind of the way I'm supposed to do it, and I kind of said the wrong thing in the video, the original video. So, all right. I don't think I'm going to get on that today because I'm getting a package ready to go to Rose at Rose Likes Crochet. I've got some washcloths to go. I actually have more than I thought I made because I got a little behind on them, but I actually have quite a few. Do you want to see them? They're in a bag, but you can see them. Okay, sorry about this. Yeah. So, got them in here. So those are going to go to Rose Likes Crochet so she can donate those to Wings. And I got them labeled right here. And then I have some more here. So there's three. They're a square one, and then there's two kind of roundy ones. I don't know what tutorials those were for. These were actually, I made these quite some time ago, the round one. So I'm getting that ready to go, and I'm sending her a little something too. And I already told her that. Anyway, let's see. So I gotta get that finished, get it out to her, because I'm in Canada. She's in the Chicago area, and she needs those for October. I know it's only the beginning of October, but you know, Canada to there, I don't know how long it's going to take, and I'm going to send it as cheap as possible, so might take a little longer. But anyway, she'll have them this month. So I'm working on that. Oh, and look! I got my hobby order in today. So there's going to be a yarn haul. I can't wait to open it. I'm going to open it with you guys. I'm so excited. I remember what I ordered, just sort of, but I don't remember the colors. Okay, I'll see you all next time. The next video will be a yarn haul. Yeah. All right, love you guys. Bye.